time in this over. Right now, they get beautifully balled. One more good delivery. This time they're going for the run. Chance of run now. Direct it. Looks like no fall. He's a shot of his craze. My goodness. This is what I'm talking about, Gopi. A super over. It's always going to be a danger one. Even though you are getting not to get a 2 runs from last over, but still it's going to be difficult because of 2 wickets. If you lose 1 wicket quickly, then all we can see that the pressure game, under pressure game. Now only 1 wicket remaining, 2 dotted deliveries, 1 wicket. That means the 4 balls remaining and 5 runs required for the victory. 6 runs required for the victory, little correction. What a match. What a match is in progress. Absolutely. It's going to be a fantastic match is in progress. Now interesting move. Interesting move from the captain of Gauri Young Boys to sending Karna into bat. Is known to be a finisher. Why not? He can be the finisher here again for Gauri Young Boys. So many times he did the job. But the problem here for Gauri Young Boys is that they got only 1 wicket. This is what we need to see. The batsmen have to keep in the mind that this is the last wicket. They never lose the wicket. They never lose the wicket. They need to get 6 runs without losing a wicket. The 4 balls remaining. Good start by Hakim with the 2 very good deliveries and 1 run out taken place. Well, what a game of cricket is witnessing here. KFC Kodikal also desperately wanted to be in the final. Hakim, 3rd time in this over. Right arm over the wicket. Delivers. Wanted to go for the switch hit. Missed it completely. Now, 6 required from 3 balls. Can you believe this? What a fantastic start given by Hakim. Karna wanted to go for the expensive switch hit. Missed it completely. Now 3 balls remaining. Pressure is on here for the batter. Karna. Ravi is in other end. Wanted desperately back in that strike. 3 balls remaining. 6 runs required for the victory. Here you go. 4th delivery. Full toss. Lofted. And into the hands. KFC Kodikal are into the final once again. Sauhardha Trophy is definitely going to be one of the luckiest game, I want to say, because I still remember that last game, the Sauhardha Trophy, the KFC Kodikal, they came into the final and defeated that NM Cricketers Bangalore in the final in the last delivery. And this is 0 for all out. Now Gauri Young Boys, without getting a single run in the super over, they are out of the tournament. This is what the cricket is all about. KFC Kodikal at last they managed to break the shackle what they got in this particular season. They came into final with a lot of hard work. Fantastic performance, isn't it? Taken this match into tie, making the match into tie, and getting into the super over, and superbly played in that super over. Just the 6 runs they depended, 5 runs they depended, and they let the Gauri Young Boys make the Gauri Young Boys all out. Now is the time to announce the man of the match. The man of the match is none other than the man who really, from the golden hand, Hakim of KFC Kodikal, who is just as the man of the match for his outstanding cricket, because the match which is tied because of the boundary which came from the bat of Hakim in the very, very important stage of the innings.